Hello YouTube, it's Katie and I am back. Today we are going to start the treacherous journey of going through decluttering and getting rid of my entire wardrobe. Basically, I am a clothes hoarder, and when it comes to new clothes, whether it's gym clothes, comfy clothes, cute clothes, if I see it and I like it, I'm gonna buy it, and this causes tendencies to keep stuff for way too long that I don't even wear. We are gonna go through my dresser. Also, I have 2 closets. You guys know and love this closet. It's color coordinated. It goes all the way back on both sides, and then I'll have all my gym clothes down there. And then, wait, there's more. If you walk outside my bedroom, in this hallway, I have another closet, and that is disgusting. So basically, we are going to declutter my entire wardrobe together, and I've been putting off this video for so incredibly long because I just know it's gonna take me so long, but that's why you guys get to come with me. So I'm gonna be donating, selling, and then just some stuff that's trash if it's like dirty, has holes, that kind of thing. Yeah, we're starting this on Sunday, March 5th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we'll see how much progress I get to make today. I don't even know where to start, considering my drawers don't even close. If you guys have watched my videos for forever, you know that I've never been able to get these drawers closed. I also have like clean laundry in there that I just can't fit anywhere else. I say we start with the dresser. Big t-shirts, shorts, and then pants. The amount of big t-shirts I have that I just don't wear anymore is crazy. Please admire my duck collection. I have so many. Look at my gangster duck. Well, this is my t-shirt drawer. Oh my gosh. Why the heck does a singular person need this many big t-shirts? The answer is they don't. Speed round. I forgot I had this shirt. We're keeping it. Trolls, don't need it. This is my church keeping. We're gonna go through a few more together, then I'm just gonna speed this up. I've got your back. It's like 2 skeletons. I think dad jokes are hilarious. I'm keeping that. Trash. Levi's. Keep. Look at SpongeBob. Let's speed this process up. Y'all need Jesus. Keeping it. That's facts. Why do I have so many SpongeBob shirts? This shirt's so cute, but like I'm never gonna wear it. It's just comfy, and I have so many. Donate. It may have been an hour and a half since you saw me last time, and I might have just gone to go get my nails done. So the lighting might be a little bit different, but look how pretty my nails are. But here's the progress we made. So I got rid of a lot of t-shirts, but now we're gonna move on to the shorts drawer because this one also is broken from being way too full. If I had to pick a favorite piece of clothing, it would be shorts. And this is just like comfy shorts, like not even like my gym clothes. Oh my gosh. Gymshark keeping. I'm obsessed with boxers. These are men's boxers, but I'm literally wearing like women's boxers right now. They're so comfy. I don't wear Nike shorts anymore, so donate. These are my ex-boyfriend's shorts, but they're really comfy and they're from PacSun, so I'm keeping them. I bought these lifeguard shorts. They barely cover my butt cheeks. I can't wear these anymore. Donate. These shorts either get me so much love or so much hate. I love them, so I'm keeping. I got these shorts from the Goodwill, and I was gonna wear them for like a space-themed party, and we never had it, so going back to Goodwill. What is up with me in this color? Kind of like blue right now. Is my work skirt. These long, comfy shorts are so nice. Invest in men's shorts. They're like honestly the best. I love them. Well, that's all for that. Like this feels like it's still so much, but I think it's progress. Oh, I'm not gonna fold them, by the way. If you thought I was gonna fold the clothes, you came to the wrong YouTube channel, but I will stuff them back in the drawer. Oh my gosh. Good enough, I guess. And the last drawer that I'm gonna be tackling today is this drawer. It's like skirts, pants, jeans, that kind of thing. Also, a lot of this was from when I was literally like so skinny, so I think a lot of it might not fit, which is probably good for me to get rid of. By the way, I just want to remind you that clothes are supposed to fit you. You are not supposed to fit clothes. Our bodies are always changing, and you should not have to try and fit into a pair of jeans that fit 4 years ago. These are iconic. If you've watched my channel for forever, you know I wear my lemon pants more than anything else. I bought these shorts off Shein. They're so tiny and my butt cheeks hang out of them, so donate. These are my old work shorts. They're really ugly, but I'm gonna keep them just in case. Then we have these pants which still have the tags on them. These are gonna go in the try-on pile. Cute denim skirt that we're keeping. I've never worn this lilac skirt, but I really want to, so we're keeping that as well. Donate. Have not worn, don't think I'm gonna wear. Donate. My whole butt cheeks hang out of these shorts. That was a little while ago. Those are going in the try-on pile. Oh my gosh, I have to try on so much of this. Leather skirt. Dang girl, keeping that. Okay, a bunch of pants from that drawer that I need to try on, so let's do that. They're actually kind of big, which I was not anticipating, but I really like them. We're gonna keep them. If I showed you the back of these, I would get demonetized. They fit, but they're too tight. I'm not squeezing into clothes anymore. Holy, I thought these were gonna be small, but they're actually big. I would definitely need a belt. These are cute though. Keeping these. Do they fit? They do fit. Do I like the fit? I don't like the fit. Now, all of these are going in the donate. I cleared out a lot of my dresser. It can close now. Besides the top drawer, but that's like socks, underwear, and bras, and I'm not dealing with that. That's like a lot of clothes. This is heavy. I'm really proud of myself. This is your sign to spring clean because you realize that you don't need half the clothes you have anymore. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, vlog. I'm back, and now we're gonna go through my bikinis. It is now 12:30 at night on Wednesday. Literally just placed like the biggest Shein order ever because for spring break I'm going to Mexico, and spring break for me is in like 2.5 weeks, and I just bought so many more bikinis, so I needed to declutter my bikinis to make space for all the new ones I just bought. And I'm pretty sure I have strep throat right now and my throat is killing me, so let's get to this bikini bucket. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, you know I literally love the beach. The beach is my happy place. During the summer I live at the beach, and so I have a lot of bikinis, like a lot of bikinis. What I did last year is I listed a ton of them on Poshmark and sold my bikini sets, so I think I'm gonna do that this year too. Let's just dump it out. I think that'd probably be the best way to find all the matching pieces. So first we have this set. I think it would fit somebody who has like a little bit of a larger chest. Somebody would look beautiful in this because the color and like all the plating is so pretty. Here are the bottoms. Obviously they're pretty cheeky. It fits really good in the top if you have boobies that can fill it out, and I am rather large chested but not big enough for this. But this one's just too small for me, but it's just like these white bottoms. Here is the white little top. I'm keeping this set. Love Kulani's Kinis. I also have this one from Shein that I wore last spring break that I'm gonna be keeping. It's so flattering if you have like the right booby shape. Mine are just too big for it. Gonna be selling this as well. This is a really cute yellow set. This one bikini set I literally ordered off Shein last year, and I tried it on once and it literally wouldn't even cover my like nippies, which is painful because it's so cute. And look how tiny it is. And I'm all gonna be selling these for literally so cheap, like probably $5 for the whole set. It also comes with little like matching skirt. This orange little top right here, and you can wear it strapless or with a strap around your neck, but it has like the little ring. So cute. Let's speed through this because I have a lot that I'm gonna just keep. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be selling this many more, so many. I have this really cute set that I never got to wear again just because it was too small and didn't cover enough, but look at this top, nicest material. So also so many more from like Kulani's Kinis, from Cupshe, from Shein, from Victoria's Secret, a lot of them. So go check out my Poshmark. It's just at caitidecort, I think. I'll have it on the screen, but I'm gonna be selling literally all of these bikini sets. These I know like fit nice and are still good quality, and I will wear. So it's still Wednesday, it's just daytime now. I just got back from work and it's 4:30 in the afternoon, and I'm going to tackle everything that's hanging up in my closet. The reason why I still have clothes like here and over there and everywhere is because I don't have enough hangers. So I figured if we tackle the closet and everything that's hanging, then I'll have more space to finally put all away my clothes, right? That makes sense. My YouTube play buttons, all because of you guys. I love you so much. The vlog channel and the main channel. Everything that's hanging in here is like nicer clothes, and it's also color coordinated. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, brown, white, black, and then dresses. I lost my big tripod, so we might have to settle for like a little this action. If you see my double chin and my work uniform, I don't want to hear it. I know it's not cute, okay? I work at a golf place. Okay, we're starting with the red and the pink. First, we have my cousin's restaurant, the Stop Along. Such good pizza. It's in Chicago. If you go, tell them Katie sent you. I love this shirt. It's thrifted, so cute. Keeping. It still has the tags on it. I'm gonna try and sell it. If not, I'll donate it. Dream School, of course, we're keeping, in the FSU shirts. Wow, I'm like not gonna get rid of any of these. My old merch, it's so cute, what the heck? You're an OG if you remember that merch. I wore this mesh top to Pitbull, keeping, it's so cute and need to wear it again. I just went through my green, blue, yellow, and orange shirts, and I'm going to sell and donate all of these. Look how many more hangers I have. It can all fit right here. This is so nice though. They're not like so squished anymore. Keeping this workout top, keeping this workout top. I haven't worn it in a while, so we're gonna donate this sunflower shirt and we're gonna retire the sweater. Dang it, I think I just broke a hanger. Which one did I step on? Oh no, rip. Look at this Kanye shirt I got in my New York vlog. If you haven't watched that, I went shopping all the time in New York. Go see it. Well, these are all the shirts that were hanging that I'm gonna try selling, and I got all these hangers from them. So now we're gonna do my best to hang some of the clothes that have fallen back up in the closet. This is stressing me out. I have too many clothes that have to go to too many places. We're gonna make a pile of all the stuff I have to list on Poshmark and Depop. I haven't decided which one I'm gonna use, probably both. So check out my Poshmark and my Depop. Pretty sure they're both caitidecort. That's enough for today. I feel like every time I turn on the camera to vlog more of me cleaning out my closet, I look more and more rough. Once I'm done with that, that will be the end of the closet. Then we have to go to my outside closet and do all the hoodies and sweatshirts and sweatpants. But we're gonna save that for last because that's probably the most interesting. I also started listing so much of this stuff on my Depop. My Depop's at caitidecort. A little bit of it already has sold, so you guys gotta hop on that. I think we're gonna start with sports bras. My whole body just cracked. I don't like to be super tight and constricted, and especially when I have like larger chest. I wear right now a 32D double D. I don't like feeling like super tight. I'm gonna be keeping all the like loose ones that I know I enjoy wearing. Calvin Klein sports bras are my favorite. It's not tight, it's so loose. I have like 3 of them and I love all of them. This one, also a good workout one, supportive but still comfy and not tight. PSD sent me some, and this does not fit my boobs at all. Like, I fall out of this. These Gymshark sports bras, not my favorite cut. See, I'm so particular about this kind of stuff. I don't know why. I think this is actually progress. I'm gonna be selling a ton of Gymshark ones. I have a bunch of Nike in here too. We're now tackling the shorts and leggings. I just got sent these leggings. I haven't worn them yet, so I'm keeping them. I'm keeping my Aerie offlines. I have 2 pair of them and I love them. Anything this material that's like this super stretchy, comfy material, I'm keeping. I'm gonna be donating these Gymshark leggings. I'm gonna be selling these Gymshark shorts. I think I'm gonna have to sell these. You guys better cop these. These leggings are like $60. I've never even worn them. I tried them on once. Also gonna be selling these. I'm so blessed to have like this opportunity to be able to have this many workout clothes and donate and sell. I'm so fortunate and so lucky. Well, that bin consolidated. I think that's better than it was. That looks so much better. Last bin in the closet. This is all my tiny tanks. I wear these all the time, especially with summer coming up. This is a good little one for 4th of July, a little summer shirt. I love this shirt. It's from Shein. It makes my chest look so good. I ordered the same shirt in a different color. And spring break, baby. Like, I'm gonna need all these tiny little tank tops. Love it. This one's Lulu, keeping that. We'll sell this. It's so cute. It still has the tags on it. Oh my gosh, this is my Halloween costume. Trash. I went through a phase last summer where I tried to wear these tops. I never really liked how it fit. So we're gonna donate those. Oh my gosh, I just wore this shirt on Instagram for the first time in like 3 years. I wore this in 2019 when I was like peak sunflowers, when sunflowers were my brand, when that was my thing. And I wore it again to an art museum. Everybody on Instagram went crazy when I wore this. If you didn't see those pictures, go check it out. But it's time to retire it. So I'm selling it. There's just no way that a girly with double D boobies can wear this without having a nippy pop out. Then I have this really adorable little like pink and cheetah. Selling that. I have this one selling. I have this really pretty purple. This sell bag is literally overflowing. Do you see this? Wow, I have a lot to list on Depop and Poshmark. I'm honestly so proud of myself. Looks amazing. I get to give back to people that support me by selling this, make a little bit of money, and then donate. I'm adding all of these ones that we just went through to the new donate bag. The only other thing I have to go through is sweatshirts and hoodies and crew necks and sweats, but I don't want to do that. I have an emotional attachment to all of those. So this is the before of what we're starting with. I shove all the sweatshirts into this tiny corner. I don't even bother to hang them up anymore. Let's begin. Oh my gosh, no way that thing has been touching all my clothes. These are all the ones I'm gonna sell or donate. I still gotta do all of those, and in here. I hope that spider disappeared. Well, I emptied it out, and now I'm gonna use all the rest of these hangers to hang them up, and then the rest will go in there. Because honestly, I just have too many. That's a lot that I got rid of, I feel like. I forgot about this bottom drawer in this closet because these are all leggings that I have that I just never wear. So they're all gonna be donated or sold. This pile just keeps growing. Look at all that. I'm grabbing this donate bag because I just separated them into piles and all of these are gonna be donated. Well, y'all, that's a wrap. Thank you for decluttering with me. I now have 2 full bags of donations ready to go to the Goodwill, 2 full bags ready to sell, drawers that now close, and a closet that is ready for some more items. This is your sign to spring clean. I'm going to be selling all of these on my Depop and on my Poshmark. I've already started listing a bunch of them, but as you can see, there's a lot that needs to go. So if you want anything from there, I would hop on it sooner rather than later because you guys are the best and tend to sell out that stuff really fast. But I love you. I hope this inspired you to get spring cleaning, clean out your closet, clean out your room, your bathroom, whatever needs to get done. Make it happen, girl. Subscribe, follow my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.